Kapatar Khma Enlightened Youth Development Association haringkan kajingi trelang bat Kapatar Khma Youth Club and Social Welfare Organization kalapan long ya kajing rakhe ya kasngi ki khana kapalatip kum ka Children's Day. Lapan long ya kane kajing rakhe da kabaya trelang bat kawai ke NGO kabala itu da ka Sarkar India ka Piramal Foundation ban pendan burom ya kasngi kha jong uwe ni kiri krau kari India upendit Jawaharlal Nehru ubalalong uwe na kiri krau bala ya ki khana.
Na kaliang jungi ka seng samla kaba teng juga ka Kapatar Khma Enlightened Youth Development Association harakat ka jingi telang bat ka we ka foundation ka Piramal Foundation ka bade na po Guwahati kade ka foundation ka bala itu bat organize ka central government of India te ngila ya plan bagi jingi ya consult jingi di Athlete Foundation bagian rakhe ya kane kajing rakhe ni kade pangka kajing kenmau pat kajing burom ni nari kabangila badong kin we ka Children's Day of Anu Siam aja we harakat kajing telang bat ka peda ka mangkot ka Kapatar Khma Enlightened Youth Development Association bat ka Piramal Foundation harakat kajing ya don harakat bat ki sibun di kena school ki student jong ka Kapatar Khma Government Higher Secondary School ke menistep nila yo ru ban pelekai ka friendly match sabdeng ki samla kante jong ki seng samla bat ki students jong ki Kapatar Khma Government Higher Secondary School kumjuru bat ki senglong kami jong kasong Kapatar Khma ki badai ru babun ki ki self group nang ba nginyo ban bu ki kemau ya ka ya kum kemau I dia ka sikha jong ru krau jong u Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hakane kasi tena kaliang jong hadin pang adep ni football ngitan pat na we pat ka session kum ka jing rakhe jong ya ka kum ka Children's Day celebration how Islam jakat we aja we hello pan aigo ya u play na bu nang thau bala ari la sumaringi bangila yo kamet ka besai ka baklain ka bakoi ka bakya krat bangila bane don lang ne krui ban don rangkat pat ban rakhe ya kane kasi ka bakarpang kasi karpang ka ba bijukhat ak tino we ka Children's Day celebration jong snam arja arboy amar ka julong korkom bahaman lagi khat sau tarik jong punai November ar akino kisnam kajudon kane ka jingrakhe ya ka Children's Day celebration dan namar bahani usnam ka de sau tarik dengan hakasi play tigisim no barakhe ya ka in advance rakhe nam takasmi ka bade ka khalai tarik November aja arboy tinga priang sobha ya phi ki hap ke barit ki parlok samla kethe basenrang tangta ki students jong kane ka school Kapatar Khma Government Higher Secondary School nangta ki senglong kami ki balawan bani trelang bagi kane sgi ki senglong kami ki balong bu ki bawan na ki self group ki baper so manai kuble ru ya ka natulong vo kapla priang batwan bani trelang hing kane sgi yang sobharu ya I sa ibawan na po health department Abdeng Sobharu yewe I paralok ibawan na po ka Piramal Foundation. I warmly welcome to you, Premajushi, for this program. Thank you for this program, for having collaborated with us.
Children's Day. Kabadi kasni jong pigi kina. Kabala jurati man nakasnem. Ngadu ki por ki bangidang rit mangiru. Mdei kabadang jan kabala slemba. Don bagi posnem mata. Te ai kubleru ya I presiden jong seng samla sinong Kapatar Khma bedon nang kani por dibala organize je kani ka jing rakhe ye kini kai khenna hakani sgi kata ka Children's Day yang ta kumjuru I doktor bat kumjuru ya ini we hibawan na poka NGO na ka menta ban pensit pensingan ha ka bidai bakani sgi bat kamtam ye kini kilong kami mdei tang bagiwan ke balai simmentaru ban mare hamadan nakam ta ban tenjat ke bor
ya kini ke program di kesini bat kumjuru ya ini madam I welcome you madam for organize this program on its day dengan aku beliau ya I sudah senang untuk senang Kapatar Khma ibran kadang ni di doktor bat kumjuru ya presiden juga samla ki balai sim ya ka jingkri ban penia ya kini program klang baga program kalong kebiat be bu ya nanti kasih mulai ku blelu ikolong kami second day jong kasnong patar kma iba don lang akan ikapur ban pensul ya kini ki head kiberin normal bagi kini ki head kiberin kilong kalawai jogeri baga jaj benriu nak kami yo program ban kemti biru ke program ke pelong kami mengasukti mendan ba ucaman lai thu ba ni ha ban celebrate ya ka children's day normal ba asai ka sni ka de sni sunday ti lagi crunch pa nga children's day le ka sni jadi kena ngitip ba om day tang ni po school jongi ani hasnong jongpi pan pelong ni ka children's day re ha ba lo ka wai gri india la pelong ya ka children's day haman ka khatsau turing chok benai november ka ba day ka sni kha kom day ka sni yam kabadi kisni kha jom Jawaharlal Nehru ya Jawaharlal Nehru la kha haga khat South Week November kasnem khat plus pa prabu kundai hapo Allahabad bat ula klapan haga avenue tulik ulai me jong kasnem khat kundai spa nri pusau Jawaharlal Nehru udai prime minister benongkong sampai jong ri India bat uni prime minister ulong ubriu uba jika day naga bentagi kena, bat ke ko pelong uba un jadi kena, kata balong bus utu, baki kena, habaro ko wigi India, kilong kalaway naga benta kari bat ke jakben riu.
Layoro ya kecingkren nai Prema Joshi idukhat jongka Piramal Foundation.
This program was possible today. My name is Prema Joshi and me and my colleague Fatima Ahmed, we are here from Piramal Foundation. So most of you can see here the banner, what you can see, like it's aspirational district, right? So basically I would like to start from aspirational district. You all belong to Pathar Khama. So it's one of the blocks which we are looking after, and COVID have really disrupted our lives, but you know, seeing girls like you and parents, you all were here today for the football match. You played really well. So first of all, can we have a clap for them? They really played well. So how are you guys? So how are you girls feeling? Like, can I hear like 3-4 of them telling like anything? So you're feeling good? How are you feeling today? Like after playing this match and now everything? Yeah, they are like very shy. So basically, are you comfortable in English or shall I switch to Hindi? English. Oh, okay, fine. Okay. So sir basically spoke a lot about like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, right? About Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So let me start from Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the person, the pioneer who's actually, you know, he worked a lot for the women's empowerment education in basically India, right? And then we have Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was our first prime minister. So let me tell you what Pandit Nehru used to say. One of his quote used to be that children are the future of tomorrow. So you all are the future pillars, and you know, we all believe that the day you all will get quality education, you'll get more exposure, you'll really, you know, work hard, work smart and do well, and any help and support if you need, system is there, but for that even you have to fight. So the day like quality education, everything you'll receive and you'll be more aware, vigilant, then even life will start turning well for you all. But for that you have to really start, you know, knowing things better. You girls are already doing well, so things are changing even in blocks like Jirang. Like today this program, we were like first initially very skeptic. So it was basically, let me tell you, it was our PM program manager, it was her idea that we should come up with a children's day, because as we all know that in Meghalaya, Sunday is a church service day, right? So we were thinking like, how would it be possible, because Sunday all of you were like, you're in church. So then we were thinking that shall we keep it for Monday? And then somewhere I think Fatima and BDO sir, they came up with this thing, and Mr. Alfred also, that we should do it on Saturday. So here is how it was possible, and thank you so much to the parents also who came here to support, and so patiently they are like, I was seeing they were laughing, making this program like, you know, joyful. So thank you so much. And the headman sir is here. The even the sir is a teacher, right? Yeah, and Mr. Alfred. Mr. Alfred have been really helping us from a long time. Actually, he have been like one of the person in when it comes to Jirang. Sir have given us a lot of help whenever we need any support. So thank you to Mr. Alfred also. And Mr. Padevyang is also here. Even I was in touch with him for basically livelihood, certain data. So what we really like, you all know that in order to get quality education, in order to have even India developed ones, we cannot neglect the very certain states and blocks or clusters, villages which are very much in the interiors. Because when we all move ahead together, then only the change transition happens, right? So basically, even Meghalaya, Ripoy is one of the aspirational districts, and by aspirational districts, we mean like districts which have the potential to really grow, which have like lot of potentiality to grow, but the only things are there are like certain problems due to which these basically districts and blocks are lagging behind. So we are here to work for you all only to to know things better, so that the quality education, everything, the basically what we have envisioned for the future, so that one day each child from here, right now let me tell you that in Jirang there are only 170 schools, only 170 schools. So what we want is that when after our work and after our mission, everything, we want more number of schools to come here. We want better schools, we want infrastructure, better technological infrastructure, which very much is not present right now. So our only this thing is that goal, agenda, mission, or this that Jirang should also be one of the developed ones, so that you all today sitting here, you young girls, whenever you need any help, any support, if you when you're really shining and when you're really doing well on your professional front, you would get that support. It's not only about scholarship or any other, but also other facilities, everything which is very much lagging. So we are here to work for all of you only. And yeah, again I would like to come to the football match which you played really well. So keep playing. Keep trying to be active in sports and also in academic, because education is one of the pillars, I can say, through which people can come out of poverty. Can be one of the trivia, but also other things are there like poverty, like whatever dreams you have, suppose when you'll grow up. So I guess all of you have something or like little dreams, like some of you want to become a teacher, doctor maybe, or whatsoever. So education is the only means through which you can really fulfill your dream and come out of all the negativity or problems which you or your family is facing. So keep studying hard, keep doing hard work and smart work, and stay as much positive as possible, and try to be more exposed to what is happening in the world and in the country also. That is what I would say. So yeah, thank you to all of you for your patience.
Fatima Ahmed habakran hagane ke jingalang ilaang.
So first of all, I would like to thank Sir Headman Nizam sir and your principal Fava sir and the BDO sir, of course. So Fava sir is not there. Even BDO is about to come today, but there is some family issues, so he won't be able to come. So yeah, सबने सब कुछ बोली there about education and all, and special district, of course. So special district is the collaboration of Piramal Foundation with Niti Aayog. So this is a special district collaborative. So we directly work with Niti Aayog. I'm not going to tell about a special district in education. So I'll tell some data regarding the vaccination. So as I know, only 30% population is covered in Jirang vaccination, and more than 70% are yet to cover. So there is some myth, some fears among the people regarding the vaccination. So I'm just here to share some data regarding the vaccination. So till 7th of November in India is almost 100 crore people are vaccinated. Is 1,821,365 people are vaccinated in India. So 100 crore people are not fooled to get the vaccine if it is not safe, right? So when the first wave came, it was in 2020. The first case was detected on 30 January 2020, and September 2020 there was 90,000 cases per day. In a single day, it was 90,000 cases in the first wave. In the second wave, it was 4 lakh cases in a single day. And now, when we saw the yesterday's data, it was 10,853 cases in a single day in India. So its third wave is approaching us very soon. If we don't maintain the COVID appropriate behavior, we don't know what will happen next. So third wave is approaching. So for that, if we want to mitigate that, we have to take the vaccine. So one thing I will tell, that vaccination is totally safe. You are not eligible. I know this is 18. You are 18. You're below 18, but there are parents in your house. So try to convince your parents that vaccination is safe. And one more data I want to share, that just wait a second. Okay, so on 27th of August 2021, in Rivoi itself, it was 120 deaths. Okay, so out of 120, 94% were who haven't taken a single dose of vaccine, and 10% was who took the first dose of vaccine, and there was only one single person who died of COVID after taking a second dose of vaccine also, and he has some other issues also. So the 96.38% effective vaccination is 96.3% effective, and only 0.04% died after took the vaccine. 0.04 is 4 among 1,000. So you are getting the efficiencies. 4 among 1,000 people died after taking the second dose of vaccine. So please try to take the vaccine. Everyone here present, please try to take the vaccine, and convince your parents also to take the vaccine, because it's totally safe. There is nothing to worry about. Okay?
Unsin ni sukran kayo to kurna si kurna la kai. Katumpat mat ya lejong. Tangki bas tangha silong supaya tuksa tangha silong anam ong rasiwe. Haba kibriyo ki doktor ki para doktor baya trelang ki ong ani jing isen ay yong. Kwa penyarap yun ang penyarap kumno setang bat apa iklan.
Mấy phát kỳ block cái chính cứu cho kỳ ai vaccine kỳ là chẳng có chatu 6%. Thì ngã cái lý kỳ Asia này kỳ đồng thời cho cái health department chapo thành marga thành omling sub center. Ông cái cái bác pencilo repi bác pen ai le vaccine. Bác cái cái nong i ba i be country i be country ang cái jong kỳ iklat bác kỳ ino bat ki kentai penai vaksin. Kejawab ke bosnat ki ong kini ki Asia ni ki akan odi waka. Ki ong ba ke spa ke perthei ngila penyo enre ke spa juga koi ke khia ngimla banthit. Bandon mana rubala banthit lane bantu ya ke spa juga koi ke khia.
Khot ya I captain jong I sing samla kenthei.
Lai sabja thapti jap.
Me and SAG nobody captain sabang one checkman. Tapti the government higher secondary school